We have two identical 6-card rigs. They're GeForce GTX 1060 Overclock Edition, 3GB PNY cards. We're using the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. We've got Celeron G3900 processors using Vengeance 8GB DDR4 RAM. We've got the EVGA fully modular G2 750 watt power supplies. But when I say identical, these are identical rigs. The only thing not identical are the exhaust fans. We do mine Ethereum Classic with this. We've also mined Ravencoin, Loki, Zencash, Zcash, just to name a few.